So, the Google Pixel 3 may feature the best design and great specs in high prices. Yeah guys, the Pixel 2 and the Pixel 2 XL were certainly some of the best flagship we have seen. Great specs, great features, and above all, the true AI-powered single rear camera, which even gives a tough time to the triple camera Huawei P20 Pro. Since autumn is coming and it's about time that we see the launch of next flagship of the tech giant, the Pixel 3 variants are said to be much upgraded than their predecessors. Since the leaks and rumors of the device have already started coming, we have gathered information of them to give you an idea of how might the next Pixel would be. So as the developers in Google's HQ seem quite busy working on the new feature of the Android P, some of them have certainly teased about what will become of the design of the Pixel 3. Few images revealed by /leaks of Android P beta show that the Pixel 3 will be a full screen smartphone with no notch, probably the best bezel solution we will see this year. So the screenshot shared shows that a user of Android P will have to use the both power button and volume rocker to prevent ringing. Meanwhile, the design of the phone in the image also looks suspicious, as we at this point can't consider a device which has no outer space of camera and other sensors. It must be noted that it is not entirely possible to make a phone which has 98% screen to body ratio, as we have seen in Vivo Apex, and considering how big Google is, there is no problem for the company in achieving that. As far as features of the device are concerned, they are going to be splendid, because considering the fact that it will be costlier than the iPhone 10, Google Pixel 3 will be definitely based on the pure Android P vision. The rumor mill has it. The device with barely their bezels is coming along in in-display fingerprint scanner. For the first time in a Google device will also add up to hardware, and the device will have dual AI powered cameras. Hope you have taken a pinch of salt already. Specs wise, the device is likely to have 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of native storage, and as usual the unlimited storage of Google Drive is also there with around 2 years limit. The device will be powered with latest power chipset Snapdragon 845. The launch date is expected somewhere near October. So what's your thoughts on this design of the Pixel 3? Please let me know your thoughts in comments down below. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe the channel for daily tech videos and camera comparisons. Having said that, thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.